Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a fabulous Monday, and the market is cooperating finally. E-mini's up 96 points, up 1.69%, but it is our friend, the NASDAQ, up 2%, up 300, up 400 points on the day. How about the VIX going down all the way from 18? Remember, we were at 20 on Friday. VIX down to 18. The AD is strong, baby. 387 and has been as high as 425. The AD low was 329. And you remember I've always referred to this as the opening 15-minute range. I just found out today this is the opening 30-minute range. Isn't that crazy? I've been using this as a 15-minute range for years, but this is the opening 30-minute range, and we are now above the just making the high of the day over here, even though NASDAQ made the high way back here at 11:08 about an hour ago. Isn't that kind of cool? But as you can see, NASDAQ kind of follows what ES does. Very, very interesting day, and we love what we're seeing. Let's see and here's the thing, y'all. The market's up today, and so I went into the little paper account and did 5 trades this morning. And with the market being up so high, we actually shorted the market. And as you can see, that was not necessarily a good move, but we made $730 doing it. 4 of our trades were profitable. 1 was unprofitable. We closed that at a $410 loss. Look at this. Our average trade time was 7 minutes and 53 seconds. We were in our longest losing trade. I actually averaged into losers. We were in that trade for 21 minutes and 27 seconds. So we had an 80% profitable rate, a positive expectancy of 146. So we made $708.20. So very nice day scalping to the downside, even though it was, it was just kind of one of those things. Really, really cool though. I was really happy. Let's see what our friend, the big green monster, tells us. See if we can garner any information. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a trend day, ladies and gentlemen. What you see is a gap. The gap is not filled within the opening hour. So we gapped and go. And what we'll probably do is keep on going. We just made a high, and we'll keep on going probably until the last 30 minutes. And then you might see this thing tinker back down. So very good. And looks like we're headed to the 58.67, maybe, if we continue this trajectory. Let's see what our friend NASDAQ looks like. Recent NASDAQ. NASDAQ is fairly priced. This is a gap and go. This is a trend day, right? We're trending upward, and we may actually visit, and it just made its high today on this candle as well, 30-minute candle. So it's going toward the 25.64, it looks like, is one of our numbers there. So very, very nice. Let's look and see at our friend linear regression. This is one of the charts that I used to scalp today. So there was a lot of sell signals there. Let's see what our ES looks like. Aha, we have a trend break. Look at that. A trend break line. And if you see what I see another trend forming, which would be nice to see this little trend here going upwards. So we've found a trend line break, and we're going up, 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 and upward. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. And we are fortunate to have DB with us. We've got Dwayne with us. We've got Ed. We've got Hal, we got Matt Jolly Wally, Roll Tide, Alabama, and along with 6 other SEC schools in the final 16, in the Sweet 16. Isn't that great? We got Mo in here. We got Stacy with us. Tennessee's one of those teams, right? And Vicky is with us with a Y. So good to have all of you here. So things are really buzzing. Things are going great. Our account is doing all right. Let's see how our little account's doing today. So we're up $2,200 in the account. Waka, waka, waka at $69,000. So that looks good. Let's look at our positions. And we've got TQQQ. Look at this. Our put is up $435. Remember just the other day, that thing was nasty. It was down a lot. Now we're up $437 on it, up $285 today. I almost feel like just taking that thing off, but we'll let it go. We'll try to get up to 50% on it. We got 39 days to go. And we sold a covered call the other day, down $64 today, $28 altogether. Not that bad at all. Let's see how our little 111 is doing. Our naked put is at 35%. So we'd probably close that when we get, and that's our 111. When this thing gets to be a bit profitable. And let's see, we've got a put debit spread here. That's doing great. I mean, it's just great, y'all. It's just a great all around day. So there's not much more to see than that. So I appreciate y'all coming in. The market is up. Let's look for this trend to continue right here, right? And so maybe with this tariff talk, have you noticed Trump is not talking nearly as much tariffs? I think that's good news. I think he doesn't want to spook the market, and I think we finally got the message. So really, this should be a pretty good week until we see what's going to happen on April the 2nd with all of the tariffs. So good job, y'all. Good job out of y'all. I love you to pieces, and I will see y'all tomorrow.